Jai Srimanarayana. 28th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapastaptam krutancha yat asat iti vuchyate pardha nacha tat pretyano iha Om. Realize that without faith, how much ever puja, how much ever dhyanam, how much ever danam, charities you do, everything becomes unreal. Any activity without faith denotes nothingness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that, I shall always remember that, without faith, how much ever puja, how much ever dhyanam, how much ever danam I do, everything becomes unreal. And I shall also remember that any activity performed without faith becomes nothingness. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam budirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 360th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Brahmanas' wives, they are enjoying Krishna Bhagavan's darshanam. Syamam Hiranya Paridhim Vanamalya Barhadhatu Pravala Natavesham Anuvrata Amse." Brahmanas' wives enjoying Sri Krishna Paramatma, who has such a beautiful Neela Megha Syama body. And Krishna Paramatma is wearing a beautiful golden color Pitambaram, the garments. And Krishna Paramatma wearing a beautiful garland made out of so many leaves, branches, and other things from the forest. And Krishna Paramatma wearing a beautiful peacock feather on his hair. Karnotpala alaka kapola mukhabjahasam. Krishna Paramatma is having one beautiful flower in his ears. That feathers of, that leaves of the flower is falling on his cheeks. And also his beautiful hair, black hair, curly hair, glowing hair is falling on his beautiful divine face. With that he is glowing. And his smiley face, all of together he is looking like as if a great hero, great actor who is on the stage. Bhuvana Mohana Natavesha Bhutivani Kaniri Kantalu Kannula Karavudira. Like that, Krishna Paramatma captivating the entire universe with his beautiness. And such Paramatma is giving darshanam to Brahmanas' wives. Brahmanas' wives staring at Krishna and making sure the thirst, hunger of their eyes are quenched completely by enjoying Krishna Paramatma's darshanam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 28th sloka. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapastaptam krutanchayat asatityate pardha nachatat pretyano iha. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapastaptam krutanchayat asatityate pardha nachatat pretyano iha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.